Hi guys, so I'm back with another video, and today I will be teaching you how to create a anti-curse command, and it's a feature as well, so it means that the user can't curse in your server. So let's get started. We'll be using quick Mongo again. So code dot. Alright, so let's clear up all of these, close this, and we will create. Let me create a new folder called admin. So only admin can enable and disable the command. I'll name it Anticurse enable.js and copy, paste with disable. We will start with enable first. I'll just copy again, ping, and paste it here. We will be using quick Mongo, so same thing. Actually, I'll teach you how to change from MongoDB here and put it inside config.json. So here, and then I'll put it here. MongoDB URL, and then something like this, and then comma. After that, we just grab our MongoDB link here, Control X, and paste it here. And here we got ourselves MongoDB URL. So now to call it, we can just do require dot slash, and then config.json, and then dot. As you can see here, it can read full properties, so we're using MongoDB URL. So here, it will now save our MongoDB URL inside. I'll do the same for fk.js, so just remove these, and then require dot slash config.json dot MongoDB URL, and we're all done. So here for enable, we will change the category to be admin, and aliases, actually we have to change the name first to be Anticurse enable. I'll do it anti-swear enable, and description would be enable Anticurse features. Feature, okay, and then async. Then we'll check for permission. So if message.member.has permission administrator, then return message.channel. Send. You don't have backticks administrator permission, and then if message.guild.me.has permission manage messages, return message.channel.send. I don't have backticks manage message permission. Alright, after we have checked it, then if, and then we await quick mongo.fetch backticks and an anti-curse. You can just anti-swear, or just call it square. I'll just call it square. Message.guild.id equal to null. Then await quick mongo.set backticks where message.guild.id to be true. So this one means if it cannot fetch anything from the database, then add it to database because we enabling it, and we will do return message. Actually, don't need return message dot channel dot send. Let's say Anticurse feature has been enabled. Else if await quick mongo.fetch backticks where dash message.guild.id equal to false. So in case it can't find, then await quick dot fetch. Actually, let's copy this because we want to enable it to be true too, and here too. So this is the same thing, and then else return message dot channel dot send Anticurse feature has already been enabled. Alright, I guess this is it. I just copy this and then paste it in disable. Instead of this, we will change from Anticurse enable to be disable, and disable, and then disable Anticurse feature. Also, we have to check again. So if it is null, then wait, no. If it is true, so we have to delete this whole thing. And if it is true, then delete. Remove the true part here, and then Anticurse feature has been disabled. Has already been disabled. Alright, so let's try run it first to see if data is safe. No dot. As you can see here, it registered. So here I will show you in general. Let's say dash Anticurse off. Oops, not off, and disable. Disable. Anticurse has already been disabled because if you look at the database here, let me refresh it. In JSON, there's nothing, but if we do Anticurse enable, Anticurse feature has been enabled, and if you look at the database, it will save our guild ID, so swear, and the guild ID and data is true. So now the user can swear. And if I try enable it again, curse enable, it will say has already been enabled. So you can't re-enable it. As you can see here, there's still only one data. Let's try disable. Has already been disabled. Wait, has been disabled here. Not has already been, has been disabled. So if we refresh this, the data is gone. So now we have to create a backward file. So here we have, I will just put it outside command. I'll create new, and then let's say backward.json. And then here I'll just do a backward and then create an array of it. I'll just say, for example, I'll do ant, and then bat. Alright, so just 2 words for now. And after that, we have to do the index.js. So let's go into message.js, because this will be our message part. We will put it above AFK command. So if await, let's change this to be const mongodb url equal require dot slash wait, no, dot, it has to be dot slash and then config.json dot mongodb url. Alright, so we have got it. And here, if await quick mongo.fetch backtick swear dash message.guild.id is equal to true. I'll explain why again. Let's create a for loop. So actually we have to grab our bad words first. So we here const bad words. No, actually it has to be bad words equal require, and then dot slash badwords.json here, so we can get bad words. After that, we have to create a for loop to loop through the word. So let I equal to 0. If I is less than bad words.length, then I keep going. This is a simple for loop. So I'll do if message dot content dot two lowercase and then dot include bad words, and then in array of I dot two lowercase. So this one will lowercase the content first, and this one will lowercase the bad words. For example, if we type in big A and go back to message here. Okay, so if message dot content, and then it should be message dot delete. So we delete the bad words, and then message dot channel dot send. Please don't swear in this server. Alright, so there's an example. I'll rerun the bot. No dot. So as you can see here, nothing is in database yet. So if I say ant, nothing happened. If my alt say ant, nothing happened. But if I do Anticurse enable and I say ant, it will say please don't swear in this server. And if I disable it, Anticurse, wait, actually I was gonna explain. If enable, so in our code here, equal to true. If we look at our database here, the data is say true. So it means that it will check if the data is if it can fetch and the data is true. So if we disable it, and actually my alt will say bat here, please don't swear in this server again. You can create a timeout, so it will delete the message automatically. Right here we'll do, oops, actually right here, dot then, oops, dot then msg, and then arrow function msg dot delete, and then put in the timeout. As you can see here, the option timeout number, or the reason we will put in timeout. So timeout out would be, I would say 1500. Alright, so let's try restart the bot, clear, no dot. Okay, whether if you're restarting the bot because it's still reading from the database, as long as you don't disable it. So let's try again. So if I say, no, if my alt say ant, it will say please don't swear in this server, and then in the timeout will work. Let's see if it works. As you can see here, it's deleted the message, so you can create an embed too. And maybe in the future, I'll teach you how to create auto warn. No, not auto warn. I will teach you how to create a warn command first, and then I'll teach you how to create an auto moderation or auto warn when the users swear in the server, and maybe some more interesting stuff you can suggest me. And I think that's it for today. I'll try again to show you that it actually works. So Anticurse disable, and if my auth say ant, nothing happened. So that's it for today, guys, and thanks for watching. Actually, I'm gonna teach you one more thing. Right here, to be if message dot member dot has permission administrator return. So this means user with administrator will be able to swear, but I'm not recommending it. But as you can see here, let me check if it's enable or disable. Okay, so it's disable. If I turn it on, and Anticurse, I can't type, Anticurse enable has already been enabled. So here, as you can see, the ant word is also included. So if I type Anticurse disable, it's gonna tell me please don't swear in the server. Clear? Please don't swear in the server. But if I restart the bot and I enable again, Anticurse enable, and I say Anticurse disable. Whoops. Oh. Wait, that doesn't work. Maybe yeah, I'll just get rid of it for now. I'll think about it first how the code actually works, but you just don't have to add it, but you can if you want to be able to swear, but not others. Or you can just set the owner. For example, if you set the owner only to be able to swear, other people won't be able to swear. That's also work too. So that's it for today, guys, and thanks for watching. See you in the next video. I'll try to get some more interesting command, and don't forget to leave a like, comment, and subscribe to my channel. Also, if you have any suggestion, feel free to drop into my server. If you need help, also drop into my server. I'll be happy to help. So thanks, guys. See you.